Hello and welcome back. So we are going to do our first project in Power BI, and with this project we'll also learn the basics of Power BI. So we will take the approach of doing and learning. So we will do the project and while doing the project we'll learn the basics of Power BI as well. So we are not going to learn first and then apply that to a project. Instead, we'll do the project, and with the project we will learn the basics as well. So this is the best approach to learn anything, any programming language, any tool, anything. If you want to learn, if you do hands-on, then it will be good for you. So let's start. So the first project is e-commerce sales data analysis. So for this what we are going to do, we will be simply doing a e-commerce sales data analysis. For this we will get the data for a e-commerce store, for that sales data of a e-commerce website or a store, and this sales data will be very raw and messy. So since this data will be very raw and messy, we need to do lot of data cleaning activities on that. So because if you do data analysis with the messy data or a raw data, you may not get a better result, or you will not get the desired result. That's why we need to do the data cleaning activity first on the data to make it clean and relevant. So that's why since this is a raw data, we need to do lots of data cleaning activity for better analysis. For this we are going to use sales_data.csv file. We'll see what is there in that CSV file in a while. For that, let's discuss what is the goal of our project. So while an analysis will do for this e-commerce sales data, we will try to analyze on the four things. First thing will be sales categories. Then we'll see the sales over time, how our sales are getting increased or decreased over time. Then we'll see what are the sale promotions that company has run to increase the sales, and then we'll see what is the delivery time for delivering the goods at the customer side. Okay, so what is the delivery time? So these are the pointers on which we are going to do our analysis. Okay, so I hope the agenda is clear for this hands-on activity. So let's go to the Power BI. Here what we need to do, we will start with a new thing, and if you want, you can save the earlier thing. Okay, and let me close this, and here first thing is we get the data. So the data we are going to get from the CSV file. So text and CSV, and here this is the sales_data.csv file that I'm going to use. So I'll click on open. Okay, so now I'll click on load. Okay, so data transformation and all we'll do in the next lecture. First we'll load and see what are the things are there in this. So now the data is loaded here. We'll see the data view. So when you click on the data view, you can see here the column 1, column 2, like that. There are 17 columns, and for each column there are several entries, right? So this is the data, and with this data we are not understanding anything, so we need to do the lot of data cleaning activity on this. So this is the data, and on this we will do the analysis. So in the next lecture onwards, we'll start doing the data cleaning activity and data transformation on this sales data. Okay, see you inside the next lecture.